Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the German alphabetical system. Let us start. In language, we have 26 alphabets, and in German language, we have 26 plus 4 additional alphabets. Now, the ones that you see below, these are A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and etc. These are the additional alphabets belonging to the alphabetical system. That means there are going to be words containing these 4 alphabets. Don't worry, we are going to learn everything together. And for your better understanding, I have written the pronunciation, the phonetics, the sound part of it in English as well as in Devanagari script. Now remember, we are not going to write these pronunciations anywhere. So you will just refer to the red colored ones. Okay, let us start. A, Apfel. A, B, Banana. C, camping. Okay, now say, although the alphabetical sound is say, if you have a word, we'll make it into a co-pronunciation. Camping. Day, Donnerstag. A, elephant. F, fish. G, guitar. H, house. E, Insel. J, Januar. Now let us look at this one. Now if you see, J is pronounced J, which means that all the words that start with J in German needs to be pronounced as Y. For example, Januar, not Januar. Januar. K, Katze. L, Liebe. M, Mutter. N, Neun. O, Ort. P, Papier. Q, Quadrat. R, Rot. S, Sonne. Now the sound of S depends on where it has come in a word. For example, it comes at the last, we pronounce it as S, class. If it comes in the medial and initial position, we'll pronounce it as Z. Yeah, we'll learn this. T, U, Ohr. V, Vater. Just like J, this needs to be pronounced with F, not water. Now this is a very cliched example, but Volkswagen, not Volkswagen, right? Volkswagen, Volkswagen with V. That is with F pronunciation. W, Woche. X, Xylophone. Y, Yak. Z, Zebra. We just now have learned 26 alphabets. We're going to take a good revision of that before we move on to these 4 special characters of German language. Let us start. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now it is time to learn these 4 special characters of German alphabetical system. These 2 dots that you see are called umlauts. We have A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut and SZ. Alright. Now remember, these umlauts we will only add to A, O and U. The first sound is A umlaut. It comes somewhere in the middle of A and A. Now if you remember, A is called A, and this is a mix of A and A. Okay. Now how will I pronounce this? Äffel, Äffel. Then we have O umlaut, which is Ö, Ö. Okay. It's a very difficult sound to make since we are not used to making that. We do not have that sound in our alphabetical system. Now this is also a mix of O and Yo. Ö, Ö. You have to round your lips. Ö. For example, this word I will pronounce Vögel. Vögel. Now we have U umlaut, which is Ü. Just imagine that you are disgusted by something, and how do you say Ew? Exactly the same sound. Or just think of a sound in the word tube. We don't say tube, right? We say tube, ew. So we have to make that sound. This will be tür, tür. The beta that sign that you see is nothing but double S, and it is Esszet. Now this has come from old German references, and today also we continue to use the same. The word is heiß, heiß. Tiny words that you see below this umlauts are the workaround. We are going to learn, by the way, how to type all of these umlauts. I will make a different video for this, but just for now, in case you want to write this umlaut somewhere, including the etc., and you do not have a German keyboard, then you can write this instead. For A umlaut, you can write AE, for O umlaut, OE, for U umlaut, UE, and for double etc., you can write double S. Here comes the most important part. We have learned the alphabets, we have learned the special characters, but how do we spell out our name? Let us assume that I go to Germany and somebody asks me, what is your name? Wie heißt du? And I said, Ich heiße Rushika, which is I am Rushika. But they don't know our names. Our names are very beautiful, long, and a little complex for them to understand. They can ask us to spell out our name. How will I do that? U S H I K A. I repeat. U S H I K A. Now your homework will be to spell out your name. Your mother's name, your father's name, your boyfriend's name, your girlfriend's name, everybody's names, and get used to the German alphabetical system. And that's it for today. I hope you had fun learning with me. If you would like to learn German from me, please contact me on any of these platforms, or keep learning through YouTube and have fun. Tschüss!